There it is. Let's get everybody tagged to it. There it is. Where'd it go? There we go. Hey Bruce, how you doing? Let's get these out of here. Last 3 of this case. There you go. I think this is 30 boxes. I think we've done 10 of these, 30 boxes. It's quite a bit of museum collection. I will see if I can keep getting. I don't know if he has any more this year. I'll have to look. I'm going up tomorrow to really dig in and see what he's got baseball-wise. I have a way to get Clearly Authentic and Topps Finest too. If he's out, I can still get it through the main distributors. Yeah, I have yet to get a bat barrel, you know what I mean? How many? 30 boxes? You would think I'd get one. So that's due. Hopefully we get one. That would be awesome. Travis Gottsy's in it. I know Corey's in it. Yeah, this product is pretty cool. Last night was a good night. Hopefully we could pull another one. Vince is in it. I just know the first half of this case was not that great. And so far the second half has been awesome. So hopefully we finish it big. Steven's in it. There we go. Who else? Dan's in it. And Marcelo's in it. Did I already put him in? Yes, I did. David, Derek Duffy's in it. All right. Corey. Bob Surtak's in it. It's got the Cardinals tonight. And that's it. Museum number 10 is live. There you go. Everybody's tagged to it. Boxes are there. All right. Team-wise, we have Braves D-backs is Bruce Evans. Orioles Dan DeClerc. Red Sox John Ketteris. Cubs Marcelo Erosa. White Sox David Peacock Connor. I'm going to call him David from now on. That's a long name. Reds is Vince DeCintio. Indians David. Rockies Travis Godsey. Tigers Stephen Kowalik. Astros David. Royals Dan DeClerc. Angels David. Dodgers Marcelo. Brewers David. Twins David. Mets David. Derek Duffy has the Yankees Marlins. Corey Carell has the Athletics. Phillies is David. Padres is Marcelo. Mariners Bruce Evans. Cardinals Bob Surtak. Rays David. Rangers Dan DeClerc. Blue Jays David. And Nationals Giants is David. There you go. That is how it plays out. I'm definitely going to the distributor tomorrow, so you'll see probably something new popping up tomorrow night. I'll be there because I'm grabbing Ingrained hockey. Ingrained's ridiculous. So I'm going to try and get as many cases of that as I can. It's a really cool product. I like it. And while I'm there, I need baseball, so I'm going to get a bunch. I'm getting a bunch tomorrow, so I wouldn't be surprised if I dropped 10 grand. So we will be seeing some stuff coming up here soon, tomorrow night. But in the meantime, let us get this going. Museum collection, gloves are on. Sleeves are right here. I've got those top loaders. Betting that David gets a hit. Okay. Yeah. Hey, hopefully I get him a big hit. That'd be awesome. I love pulling big hits. All right. There, let me move this over, get it straight. There we go. First box. And when 2020 Museum Collection gets out, trust me, I will be getting a bunch. I like this stuff. Alright, there's the first 4. Okay. Let's rip this stuff off, annoying stuff off first. It is. Okay. Yeah, see, it's already sticking to me. Stop. Alright. There's one. There's the second one. There's the third one. And here's the fourth one. Okay. There they are. They're out. Box 1. Hey, David, how you doing? Here is the first pack of the first box. Starts with a thicker card. We have, well, it's a quad. We got Trey Turner from the Nats, Strasburg from the Nats, and the Nats. What is that, Soto? No, that's Victor Robles. So 3 straight Nats cards. Starting us off. I don't think I've ever seen that happen before. That's funny. And that is a canvas collection of Victor Robles. Insert. And then we have a quad for the Brewers. 7 out of 75. Primary pieces game used. It is Ryan Braun, Jesus Aguilar, Lorenzo Cain, and Travis Shaw. 7 out of 75. Brewers. There you go, David. So far, the whole box is yours at this point. You got the Brewers and you got the Nats. And then we followed up with the Reds. Barry Larkin, bronze. And that's... the Reds is Vince, I believe. All card ship. Already got a chunk of them out from yesterday. Alright, the next one we've got Johnny Bench from the Reds. Matsui from the Yankees. Roger Clemens from the Red Sox base cards. And then we have a Steven Matz signature swatches for the Mets. 55 out of 299. That's going to David. Dual relic autograph. Steven Matz. That's cool. Reno 138, perfect fit. Boom. Steven Matz. And then we've got a Dodger, Sandy Koufax. 6 out of 50 red. And that's going to Marcelo. And that is another pack on. Spreading the teams out so far. What else we got left here? This is probably an autograph. And we've got Tanaka from the Yankees, Sandberg from the Cubs, Stanton from the Yankees. And then our autograph is archival, Tommy Pham of the Rays. That doesn't like that for some reason. There we go. 3 out of 299. Rays, that's David as well. There you go. Pham. Rays archival autograph. And then Donaldson of the Braves. Blue, 4 out of 150. So Bruce Evans gets that one. Braves hit. And that's 3 packs. Plenty to go. Plenty to go. This is probably your relic. Oh, wow, this is super thick. Uh-oh, what is this? Look at that. I don't think I've seen one that thick. Uh-oh. We might have something special here. We've got... what is that? Ah, interesting. This will be a first. Chapman from the A's, Rizzo from the Cubs, Kikuchi from the Mariners, rookie card. We don't get many rookies, so I'll just leave them a while. Mariners would be Bruce. And look at this bad boy. What is this? Alright. Yeah, we've gotten a couple of these. 1 of 1, museum memorabilia, Michael Conforto of the Mets. That's pretty cool looking. What is it exactly? Silhouetted batter logo relic card for Michael Conforto of the Mets. Numbered 101, and I just happen to have one of these bad boys sitting here. Let's set it down there nice. And get him in there a while, and then I'll level it out. There you go. It'll come in a magnetic for you. 101. And then Ricky Henderson bronze. Yeah, we've gotten a couple of them. I think that's our third one that I've ever gotten out of 30 boxes, but that's cool. Alright, box 2. What do we have in box 2? What is today? Monday? Today's Monday. Got word today that I'm starting back up at my normal job next Monday. I kind of did already. I'm in sales, so I think I'm up to I think Friday I got my 6th sale of the month without even being employed. So that'll be cool going back to. I'm going to try not to affect it. I don't mind doing this late at night. The only thing that might be affected would be me doing a midnight break. But I'll do one at 11. It won't bother me. So I'll keep it going. No worries. There we go. That one right there, the second one down, seems pretty thick to me. We'll see what that is. Might just be a jersey card or something. Oh, nice. Alright, first pack of the second box. Oh, that's flipped around. We have Matt Carpenter of the Cardinals, Cody Bellinger of the Dodgers, and Nolan Ryan of the Astros. And then we have a meaningful material. Kevin Kiermaier. Looks like the Rays again. 29 out of 35. Bronze. Those bronze look pretty nice. They're cool. And it looks like it's got stitching in there. Maybe have a number. No, that's a little bit too... Yeah, this is the 138. These are perfect 138s, in case you're wondering, top point-wise. Or top letter-wise. And these are 106s. Toronto Blue Jays. What am I doing? That's Alomar, bronze. Just daydreaming. And another thick one. We have, upside down, Alex Bregman, Astros, Ted Williams, Boston, and Buster Posey, the Giants. Followed by Matt Chapman of the Athletics, bronze, 31 out of 50 signature swatches, dual relic autograph, and that's going to Corey Carell. Grabbing a Matt Chapman autograph. There you go. He's a big A's fan. That's cool. And 138. Boom. Perfect. Corey Carell gets on the board. And then we've got Real Muto bronze for the Phillies. And then we go with... Oh, we got a decent one coming up. It's an autograph. Koufax for the Dodgers. McCutchen for the Phillies. And Mookie Betts for the Red Sox. And this one is not too bad. I'd be happy with this. Who's got it? Kyle Tucker, rookie card auto for the Astros, numbered 31 out of 299. That's going to David. There you go. That's on card. That's a decent hit. I would like that. Kyle Tucker. There you go. And that's trash. I'm just looking at top loaders, how I have them set up. There we go. I'm good. And then we've got a red Albert Pujols for the Angels. 20 out of 50. Angels going to David as well. There you go. And then our final pack of box 2. Looks like a thicker card's involved. What's it going to be? We have Albert Pujols, Angels, Frank Thomas, White Sox, and then we've got, looks like Chris Sale, Boston, Canvas Collection. So that's another Boston for John Ketteris. And our hit is Salvatore Perez, quad for the Royals. 43 out of 99 right there. There you go, Royals. That's Dan DeClerc picking up a quad of Salvatore Perez. Nice hit there. And are these? Yeah, these are. I'll have to go here. Perfect. Salvatore Perez. And then we've got Chris Bryant bronze for the Cubs wrapping up box 2. I would love to do this as a full case. It'd be a little bit expensive, but think of the hits. It'd be pretty interesting. I don't know. Quarter case seems to go pretty fine now. And there you go. If you guys have any requests, PM me for baseball. Give me some ideas. Because basically, I'm going to get whatever I can get. If you want a case of something, I know I've gotten some Series 2 requests. I might grab a case of that just for the heck of it. I've done some Series 1 and Series 2 in the past couple years. I don't mind breaking it. It's tops. Maybe get a big autograph out of it or something. And I could probably still get Bowman 2020. I just don't know if I want to do a case of it. Maybe I'll grab a half case or something just to get you some more of that, give you shots at getting some higher end stuff. I'm not done with Clearly Authentic. I'm definitely going to get another case of that one way or the other. Fineness seems to be climbing, so I might not get that. I don't know. We'll see. If you want it bad enough, I'll get it. But I'm watching the price on it climb. Oop. All right, Hoskins, Phillies. There's Tatis Jr. rookie card for the Padres, and there's Correa for the Astros. I'll toss him in a sleeve a while. Our hit is Jeff McNeil, Mets. Definitely a Mets section. Rookie card signature swatches, triple relic, autograph, 2 pinstripes. There it is. 178 out of 299. There you go, Mets. Yeah, and last night we had Pete Alonso, so definitely we got some Mets in this case. Last half, anyway. Yelich, bronze for the Brewers. And here comes pack number 2. It's like a thicker card as well. I keep opening them upside down. We got Beltre, Rangers. We got Mattingly, Yankees. And then we've got a Ohtani canvas collection. That's different looking. It's got his bat weight on there. There you go. At Angels. And then our hit is Eric Thames, Brewers, 27 out of 35, meaningful material. Relic card. It's got some stitching in it as well. And that is going to David, I believe, still. Yep. He's a bigger Brewers fan, so that's cool. There you go. That's your relic card. So that means the last two have to be autographs. Banks, Cubs, bronze. And then here we go. Let's see what we're going to get. Alright, this is most likely, yeah, it is an autograph. Not a bad one, not a bad one. I'd take that. Machado for the Padres, Derek Jeter for the Yankees, and Ohtani for the Angels are your base. And then your hit is Jim Rice, archival autograph for the Red Sox. There you go. Legend Jim Rice, on-card auto, 235 out of 299. And that's John Ketteris. I think I pulled one of these for you before, didn't I? That might be your second one. Cool. And then bronze Corey Seager, Dodgers. Oh, cool. So hockey's moving. All right, good. One of the fillers just filled. And the last pack is a thicker card. I'll put that like that so I don't have to set it down on anything. Oh my goodness, is that what I think it is? Oh wow. Wow, alright, that's pretty cool. Ortiz, we're going to end on a high note. Boston, Ortiz, Chipper Jones, Braves, and there's Kyle Tucker's rookie card. Wow. Hold on a minute. Alright. Alright, here we go. Roberto Clemente. 2 out of 10 quad of that card. There you go. That's going to Marcelo. Jeez, oh man, look at that. 2 out of 10. I was looking close because I was wondering if it maybe had an autograph. There's no way it would have an autograph, but that would be cool if it did. There you go. Marcelo. There you go. Way to end it. Wow. That's cool. And the last card is Freddie Freeman, Braves, 85 out of 150, blue parallel. And I'll recap it for you here. I've pulled a few Rockies throughout it. I think we got a Story autograph at some point. I forget who else. I don't know. That's hit or miss. You never know. You never really do. Throw him in one. I'll get these two in them as well. And then I'll recap for you. Alright, that is pretty awesome. Alright, first one we'll show you is the 101 Conforto. And that is a silhouetted batter logo relic. That's pretty cool. That'll come in a magnetic. Rookie-wise, we have Kikuchi for Seattle, Tatis Jr. for the Padres, Tucker for the Astros. I'll sleeve them up. We got that ridiculous Roberto Clemente quad bat card, numbered 2 out of 10. That's awesome for the Pirates. The Pirates don't get many hits in this, but that is one that you want to get. There you go. And then we have Perez quad game used for the Royals. And we've got a Chris Sale canvas collection for Boston. We've got Albert Pujols red, 20 out of 50 for the Angels. Kyle Tucker archival autograph rookie card, number to 299 for the Astros. Bronze Matt Chapman signature swatches, dual relic auto, number to 50. Athletics. And then we've got the Rays, Kiermaier, 29 out of 35 bronze meaningful material relic card. Donaldson of the Braves, number to 150, blue. Tommy Pham of the Rays, number to 299, archival autograph. And then we've got Sandy Koufax red, numbered 6 out of 50. And then we have Steven Matz, dual relic auto, signature swatches, numbered to 299 for the Mets. We got this cool quad card, primary pieces for the Brewers, numbered to 75, with Braun, Aguilar, Shaw, and Kane on it. All different jersey colors. That's cool. Victor Robles canvas collection. And then we go to the last stack here. Blue Freddie Freeman, number to 150 for the Braves. Jim Rice archival autograph for the Red Sox, number to 299. Eric Thames meaningful material bronze for the Brewers, number to 35. Ohtani canvas collection. And Jeff McNeil. I know a Dan McNeil. Rookie card signature swatches, number to 299. It's a triple relic autograph with pinstripes. Cool. Nice little break again. Got some pretty cool hits in it. I like Museum. Museum is cool. It's definitely one of the ones I like to break. A lot of hits. And there they all are. All cards ship. So I'll probably have all them out tomorrow. I already got a ton of... I'm down to like nothing to pack. I have a little bit left, maybe like 3 boxes, and then I'll add this. Get it done pretty quick. All right, thank you. Nice. I will see. I'll see what I have laying around. Maybe I can get you something. I don't know what I have Rockies-wise, but I know I've got some stuff. I have piles of stuff sitting here. But, cool. I appreciate it. Thank you again. I'm around if you want to message me. Give me some ideas for baseball. You know, I'll look and see what I can get. I'm going up tomorrow, and I'm going to get a big pile, so we have a bunch of stuff to break this week. I will catch you later. Have a good one and be safe.